Hey guys, today I want to show you this blender that I just got that I use to make my protein shakes in the morning. It comes with 2 larger cups, a smaller cup, these drinking lids, 3 just regular lids so that you can easily make your smoothie. Either take this with you and it won't spill, or store it in your fridge if you want to meal prep. It has a single blade attachment that's good for grinding oats, nuts, coffee grounds, and then it has a double blade. This is what you use for blending your smoothie. So you just put your ice, my protein scoop in here, liquid, and then it just hooks right in here. Blends it up. If you're doing more of a juice, it's 30 seconds. If you're gonna use ice, it takes about a minute. Then you can just unscrew the blade off, put your lid on, your drinking lid, and then just drink right from here. So you don't have to dirty more cups. Okay, I'm gonna show you how I make my protein with this blender. So I already have some ice in my cup. Just gonna add a little liquid, about a cup. And then 1 scoop of my favorite protein. Then you're just going to screw the blending blade on and mix it up. Okay, when it's all mixed, take off the blade, and then you put this little drinking lid on.
Good, Mom. Can I have some? You help me.
And there's literally no more ice chunks in there. Smooth.